Got a bit of a problem here. Found this lying in the blower housing, the bottom of it. So now, gotta go in there and change it out. It goes right there. But the problem is, it won't come through the shroud. I already had to pull the shroud, the drive shaft that goes to the drive unit, the flywheel, you got a screw here that is out basically, but you can't get it out because of the stator. It's in the way. There's an interference fit here. It will not come past here to come out. All I need is to get this bracket off so I can get this off. So now I have to pull the stator. Okay. I got it off. The reason I didn't take it off, take the starter off to get it off, is this bolt right here. Ah, there we go, right there. I can't, it interferes with the drive. You can't get at it from outside. Probably not enough light to see in there. But this thing gets in the way of that bolt. So I'm down to rebuilding the starter Bendix drive on the motor. Maybe I should have flipped the damn thing on its roof or yanked the motor completely, but whatever. Okay, it's in and on. Now the reassembly procedure. Stator back on, flywheel back on. Let's see. Turns over. Better than before. Anyway, well, now I got to put on the blower housing and the drive shaft or PTO shaft to the pumps. Get rid of all those bolts, I guess. It works. Now I can go cut grass.